Hi everyone. Welcome to Little Steps, the place where we learn English and also learn to take care of ourselves. And I'm happy you're here with me today. Sometimes we are too hard on ourselves. We feel bad because our English is not perfect. We feel bad because we're not doing enough in life. But remember this, it's okay to start small. Every little steps you take is already progress. Let's talk about this simple sentence. I am learning. Say it with me. I am learning. Not I'm perfect. Not I'm the best. Just I am learning. That sentence is powerful. It means you are moving forward even slowly. You are trying, and that's enough. Every day you can learn one English word. Every day, you can do one small thing for yourself. Drink water, take a short walk, smile at yourself in the mirror. Small actions build big changes. You don't have to do everything today, you just need to begin. So, my friend, repeat after me. I am learning, I am improving, I am kind to myself. Say it again when you wake up tomorrow. Thank you for listening today. If you'd like this episode, please follow Little Steps for more simple English talks about life, growth, and self love. Take care of yourself. You deserve it.